Hello guys, welcome to the second video in the series. If you remember, in the last video we talked about data type and variable. So today we will cover a basic topic, which is how to get an input from the user. Printing stuff to the user is great. However, sometimes we want the user to be able to talk back to us and give us some information. This is known as input. To get an input from the user, you just have to type input and then open and close parentheses. What this basically gonna do is it's gonna tell Python like, hey, we want to take the input from the user, and Python will allow the user to type in some information. Inside these parentheses, we can actually type a prompt. So generally, when we want the user to enter some information, we want to tell them what we need them to enter, and that's what we can put inside of here. So I'm just gonna say, what is your name? So here we are creating a simple Python app that will allow the user to enter their name. And then we will store the name inside a variable, and then we'll basically just say hi to them. So what we want to do is we want to store whatever the user inputted into our program inside of a variable. So let's go over here and create a variable. Let's call it name. We will set this variable equal to input, so we are taking the value that the user inputs and store it inside the variable called name. So what we can do is we can say print, and inside we're gonna say hello, comma, name. So essentially we are getting a name from the user, we are storing inside a variable and then printing out on the screen. So when we run the program, you'll notice in the output section that Python is giving us a little prompt saying what is your name. Now in here we can write whatever we want. So I'm gonna write Elio and then hit enter. And Python will store Elio inside the variable and then print hello Elio. Great, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.